Oh, gee. We got a package. We got a package from you and Lunatic Grandpa. You see what's inside? Hold on a second. Okay, here we go, OG. I'm gonna put these out. Make sure that I don't show Dad's address. There we go. Let's see what you got. Let's see, we got a shirt. What's it say? It's a whole outfit. Look. Could I be any cooler? What do you think of that? These gonna fit you this summer. You're gonna grow right into them. Okay, what's this one? There's another outfit, whole outfit. Oh, it's like a little sundress thing.
No, it's
leggings. It's a dress with
It's a top and leggings.
Okay, it's a top and leggings. Isn't that cute? Look, OG's wanting to try them on right now. Then we put this over here. Put this over here with this one. What else we got? We got...
That's a little romper.
A little romper. A little romper for OG. You like that? You like that? Here. Model it.
She's like, I'll eat it.
You will eat it. I know you will. Don't you? Oh, look at this. Socks. You got socks. You always go through socks because you always lose socks.
She kicks them off.
Yeah, you kick them off. You're always losing socks. So, Lunatic Grandpa and Mama Julie sent you all kinds of clothes.
Huh?
Mama Julie and Lunatic Grandpa sent you all kinds of stuff. Say thank you. Say thank you. Give him a thumbs up.
What's he think? What's he think, baby?
Okay, so this was mine and OG's unboxing video for Lunatic Dad. Love you, Dad. Tell him, say, be good, old man.
Give him a thumbs up.
Yeah, give him a thumbs up. Give him a thumbs up. You can do it. There you go. Oh, you almost had it. You almost had it. You almost had the thumb. All right. All right, guys. That was our unboxing video from Lunatic Dad. We'll catch you guys later on.